Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Remaker AI logo generator to generate some really stunning logo. To create an account is super easy. Just use your Gmail account, head over to remaker.ai and simple log in with your Gmail account. And when you do that, you get 30 credits to start with. And you can quickly generate a few things here with that 30 credits. However, once that 30 credit is out, you want to go ahead and purchase more credits so that you can start exploring and doing more things, right? No, and I think that purchasing credits is super easy and convenient because you can use it at your disposal, at your own convenience, and you don't have to pay a monthly subscription when you have approach such as just purchasing credits on the go. Now, once you're in, just simple click to the top here where you have AI photo generator and click on that and you will find the option to choose AI logo generator within that list. And all you have to do is just head over to there. You can choose your colors and all those stuff, guys, and you'll be able to quickly. Now, there's a few things that you need. You can just basically say main symbol. You can say the logo name and you can say the industry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just say, for example, education as an example. I don't know if I choose YouTube, if it's gonna be there. No, I'm just gonna choose education. Let's choose tech. Technology is there as well, so I'm gonna select technology. Logo name, I'm just gonna say Drew Tutorial. And I don't have any main symbol. Must be a D, maybe D. I'm gonna just say for example that. And then the colors is basically whatever, right? So I'm gonna just choose maybe, let's use this gradient color here. Let's leave it as that, right? And yeah, you can go ahead and create it. So I'm gonna just choose generate. It's gonna take 4 credits. So if you just create an account, it's gonna take only 4 credits for you to come up with a really cool logo. So this is just something I'm trying very basic so that you can see the power with Remaker AI. And as you can see, it is generated 2 cool logos there for me. I can choose if I wanted to add the D there. I could leave it blank. As you can see, but these are 2 options that is created. I can remove the D and just leave it as is. I can play around with the colors. Let's play around with the colors as well. So we will try something like that. Drew tutorial. I think that's it. Maybe I need to put in something here in terms of the symbol. So I can try this. Maybe let's try that. And let's try again to generate something. But you can play around with it, guys, as much as possible, and you'll be able to create some really cool logo within seconds. If you want to, let's say, use, for example, script prompts to create it, you can use prompt. You can just basically say whatever you want and have the AI to create it for you once you describe it, right? But this is how you can quickly go ahead and create logos. Now have a look at this one, Drew tutorial. This is not so bad, right? And it also depending on the niche as well that you actually go into to be able to create logos of your choice. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.